Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the split screen mode on your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. To run applications in split screen mode, we're first gonna need to open two separate applications that support split screen feature, and then grab the top bar of one of these apps and either drag it to the side if you want to use two applications at once. And then after dragging it to the side, just release the application and then select the other app from the list of opened apps. And this way you will open two apps in the split screen mode. Now, if you want to split your screen between 3 or more apps, you're going to have to drag the top bar of the application and instead drag it to the top. Now, do not release it. Instead, we're going to have to select one of the available positions for this window, and as you can see, we can place up to 4 different apps at the same time on our device's display. So for example, let's put this up in the top left corner. Then we're gonna place Microsoft Store in the top right corner. And yeah, unfortunately, Microsoft Store has a very limited capability to shrink, so we cannot place 2 more apps with it on the screen. So let's instead place 3 different applications, and one will be our web browser, and the other one will be the File Explorer, and the third one will be the Settings app. And now we can change each window's size by moving these invisible bars between the windows. And so that's how you enter the split screen mode on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.